Good afternoon and welcome to Brush News at 12. I'm Anna Finabundo, now the headlines. Liberia's chief medical officer, Dr. Francis Carter, says no vaccine in storage here, but health officials are trying to collect vaccines that were previously given to different counties where residents were unwilling to be vaccinated, and there a second dose in Monserrado County where the usage has increased. As Liberia grapes with COVID-19, Liberia County Electoral District Number 3 lawmaker has made available 1,000 United States dollars to the local county health team. In a deadly gun battle between police and the men suspected of assassinating Haiti's President Jovenel Moïse has been raging in Port-au-Prince. Those were the headlines, and now the news in details. Liberia's chief medical officer, Dr. Francis Carter, says no vaccine in the storage here, but the health officials are trying to collect vaccine that were previously given to different counties where residents were unwilling to be vaccinated and distributed in the second dose in Monserrado County where the usage has increased. He informed the public that the health officials do not want to vaccines that inspire, and they are looking at doing in areas like Monserrado County where the usage have increased. The chief medical officer stated that the public will be informed about where they can go to get their second dose, adding that a first dose will be given now. Last week, Dr. Carter said the country will be expecting 96,000 anti-corona vaccine later this week, aim of the third wave of the vaccine. Providing an update on the corona vaccine in Liberia, Dr. Carter said the country's present cumulating coronavirus case out of which 121 new cases were recorded as of 6th of July 2021. As Liberia grapes with COVID-19, Lova County Electoral District Number 3 lawmaker has made available 1,000 United States dollars to the Lova County health team. According to our Lova County Bureau Chief, Honorable Clarence Masakwe, made available the 1,000 United States dollars to the Lova County health team in Bonjoma, citing it was the lawmaker's own way of contributing to the fight against the virus. Representative Clarence Masakwe told our correspondent that the 1,000 United States dollars was his own personal contribution to the county health team to help combat the deadly disease. According to that amount, is not part of the 15,000 United States dollars as perceived by individuals in the county. The Unity Party and CPP lawmaker called on every citizen of the county to get involved in creating awareness and supporting the county health team. Our correspondent says, apart from the District 3 lawmaker, other lawmakers and individuals in the county have also been buttressing the efforts of the county's health team. A national non-governmental organization serving humanity for empowerment and development with support from the European Union has purchased and donated a consignment of essential goods to 4 prison facilities, including Kakata, Bondaway, Banga, and Sanikule prison. The drugs, value over 4,000 United States dollars, were donated Tuesday at shared office in Pinsville and will be used as treating malaria, skin diseases, infections, STI, test kit for hepatitis, sanitary pad for females, inmates, nose mask for use by inmates, and other common diseases being experienced by inmates at the 4 prison facilities. Making the donation at the Bureau of Corrections and Rehabilitation, the Executive Director of Share Mistress George P. Pajibo expressed that through the Ministry of Justice and other government institutions, including the Ministry of Health, for the smooth collaboration in the implementation of European Union funded project titled Strengthening Democracy and Respect for Fundamental Human Rights of Prisons in Liberia. Madam Pajibo said the donation is yet in order consignment for use by inmates in the 4 correctional facilities in 3 counties and Ibonyi and Nima County. Electoral District 3 Representative J. Marvin Cole is calling for the benefits of the legislatures to purchase COVID-19 vaccines and testing kits for the country. Representative Cole said, as leader, it is important to protect the life of citizens, which is key national responsibility. Speaking to legislatures reporters on Wednesday, July 7, 2021, in his office at the Capitol building, Representative Cole said the Constitution is clear, and when elected officials took the oath of office, they assured the Liberian people and the world at large to protect and defend the Constitution through the rights of the people. He said, with the national budget currently before lawmakers, not less than 10 million United States dollars should be allocated to purchase COVID-19 vaccines to protect the population. The incident management systems at the Ministry of Health has become strategic counter tools aimed at engaging counties' leadership for their rapid response and involvement in the fight against the COVID-19, which has paralyzed the global health system. According to a release by the IMS, the engagement with local political leaders is geared towards ensuring the involvement in the response and coordinating with the incident command structure at the county level. The release says an orientation meeting held in the port city of Buchanan over the weekend gathered political stakeholders, including representatives, county health officials, county superintendents, and members of the Joint Security from Riverside and Grand Bassa County. He said when the stakeholders in the country are orientated with IMS command, they will take a rightful decision in the enforcement of mask wearing and other preventive measures to cushion the spread of the virus. A deadly battle between police and the men suspected of assassinating Haiti's President Jovenel Moïse have been raging in Port-au-Prince. Police Chief Leon Charles said 4 suspects have been killed and 2 detained, but some remain at large and more hands still on the way. We blocked the suspect in road as they left the scene of the crime, he told a news conference. To end the news now, the recap. As Liberia grapples with COVID-19, Lofa County Electoral District Number 3 lawmakers have made available 1,000 United States dollars to Lofa County Health Team. Bon County Electoral District 3 J. Murphy Court is calling for benefits cuts from the executive and legislatures to profit or purchase COVID-19 vaccine and testing kits. Join us 8 a.m., 12 noon, and 8 p.m. for Brush News 94.7. I'm Anna F. Bunda at Anchor.